Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to talk about a stock market update. I know I don't own any AMD shares, but I know people who do, and for people who are AMD long-term shareholder, I kind of want to talk about it a little bit. So AMD performed way better than I expected. It hit the new 52-week high at 1679. Why did it hit 1679? Because of two really good pieces of news that came out for AMD. First one is Intel has problems with the 10 nanometer process, while AMD is moving towards the 7 nanometer chip process, thanks to the partners like TSMC and Global Foundries and Samsung. Because of the partners, they were able to move to the 7 nanometer chip much faster than Intel moving to the 10 nanometer, because Intel kind of makes their own processor nodes. So because Intel's having problems, because sometimes even with lots of money and talent, you can still run into problems, and that's exactly what's happening. So AMD got a little bit of good luck. So that's number one. Number two is Intel's CEO admitted that they will lose server market share to AMD in the second half of 2018. And that's another reason why the AMD stock is kind of hovering. I think it's going to be hovering around 17 bucks to maybe 15.50. So that's what I think. I'm not too sure exactly what's going to happen, but this is what I believe will happen, that it's going to be hovering around 15.50 to 17 bucks until the next quarter report. And if the next quarter report is really good, it could pop up to 19-20 bucks before even year's end. So it's always a possibility. So for anyone who's believes in AMD and is a long-term shareholder, that's awesome. Because I know my friend's uncle is probably really happy with AMD right now. He has like 100,000 shares. So another piece of news I want to talk about is Xbox 2 and PlayStation 5 has been rumored at E3 that happened over the weekend. Basically, it's in development right now, and when it gets released, it's going to be multiple different units or consoles. So my guess is Xbox is going to go with Xbox 2, like the actual normal console, and an Xbox 2 laptop where you can carry around your Xbox wherever you want. Because the next generation consoles are going to be very, very energy efficient and portable. At least this is what I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but from what I know, my knowledge about chip technology and computer technology, we're advancing to the point where everything becomes super energy efficient, and one day everything will be more mobile and more carry around. Think about our cell phones. 10 years ago, we had shitty cell phones. Now we have cell phones that are more powerful than computers that were made 10 years ago. So the amount of technology has been advancing. It's just insane. And then another piece of article I came across: Elder Scrolls 6 will be released on next generation consoles only. That is awesome. That this game is gonna be a game seller it's gonna be a next gen console seller for sure, because Elder Scrolls is very loved by a lot of people, and a lot of people will buy the console just for Elder Scrolls 6 for the next gen consoles. At least this is what I believe. I could be wrong. Namaste is kind of depressing me. because I took a gamble on this stock. I put a bunch of shares into it, and it's not paying off. If I just stayed with my diversified portfolio right now, I'd probably have more money, but whatever, it's life. At least Aurora is doing good. I wish I bought more Tgod, but hopefully they get the sales license, because it's been a while. So I'm really hoping that they get it this Friday. But it might not happen. It might not happen until, like, I don't know, like middle of summer, or whenever Health Canada decides to get off the high horse and actually give Namaste the license. But it's the government. Nobody can really control the government. The government can come around and be like, Namaste, we no longer want to give you your sales license. They could do that if they wanted to, because they're the government, and Namaste can't really do anything unless the government approves of them. So I guess that's a risk that everyone has to take, that, you know, they might not get their sales license. Until they confirm their sales license, Namaste won't take off. But once they have their sales license, it shows confidence in investors that, okay, Namaste has their sales license now. Now they can finally make money off cannabis. So then that will definitely help increase the stock price. But, you know, is hoping tomorrow is when they get their sales license. The Green Organic Dutchman had a huge decline, because there was I don't know if this is fake, but apparently the 150,000 square feet facility in Ontario, they took some pictures of the site, and it looks like the facility is just getting started with construction, and it's like nowhere close to being finished. So that's the reason why the stock, this could be fake, because some people were saying that, oh, this is fake news, blah blah blah. But I don't know about that, because when I was looking at the investor relations, like, I've been checking it up once in a while, the investor presentation, they said that this facility was supposed to be finished second half of 2018. Now it's been pushed back to first half of 2019. The 800,000 square feet facility is projected to be completed on the same time as the 150,000 square feet facility. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know why this facility is taking so long. Maybe they just like kind of forgot about construction, or maybe because it's like out in the middle of nowhere, that it's like hard for construction workers to get to this place every day. I have no idea. So like, please, if you guys have some information about this, let me know. But then recently they had a news that said that they managed to sign up, like they did a partnership with Jamaica. They also invested into the company, like they own 49% of this Jamaican company and they get 14,000 kilograms of organic cannabis. Was it 50%? Because I saw something like that. Well, it doesn't say here what percentage they own, but I really think I saw it. Let me just open up a new thing, new cannabis venture, because I saw it on new cannabis venture. Right here, Tgod acquires 49% of Jamaica's Epican. So that news kind of jump-started Tgod stock. I was hoping for more of a decline, so I can buy back into this company. But oh well, whatever. It inclined, but you never know. Shorters can come back and attack this stock again. So I'm hoping it drops so I can get a good buy-in, because I'm not buying at $6. I want to buy back at maybe, I'm not gonna say, but I do want to buy the stock back. Micron Waste Technologies. I don't think the stock is gonna decline back to like 45 cents again, or even 40 cents, but you never know, it could. But June 25th is coming soon, and once Aurora confirms that, hey, we got a unit and it works well and blah blah blah, the stock could go up even higher. So I don't know, it's a gamble, 50-50, whatever. At the end of the day, if you guys sold out, I wouldn't buy back in unless it has a decline. Or number two, you can just look for another stock. I'm sure there's something out there that's a better investment than this one. And then Hempco is making me very happy right now. I wish I bought more of this stock when it was, I don't know, like $1.50, $1.45. Because why? Whole plant utilization. The government has approved whole plant utilization. So that means Hempco can now make the entire hemp plant into whatever product they want, because they are allowed to use the whole plant, which, you know, is excellent news. And Aurora is also a big investor in this. They own like over 32 million shares. They own 52% of this company. So because Aurora is such a big shareholder, this stock is not going to decline in price, unless Aurora decides to sell out. But I don't think they will. I think they're going to just end up merging with this company, in my opinion. But I'm happy because I'm making my money back. I knew a bunch of people who bought in a little high. They didn't average down. So they're probably happy that they're making their money back right now. I guess I'll just end it off with this. IQ. I mentioned IQ stock when it was like $36. Now it's at $39. At this point, it's a little dangerous. So if you guys haven't bought in yet, I would not recommend buying in. It's a little dangerous right now. Like I said, I was thinking of buying when it was around 16 bucks, but I didn't. I didn't react on it. Now, whatever. Twitter a little pissed me off too, because I sold Twitter out, I think at $33 or $34. I bought it at $31, so I made a decent profit off it. I think I had like 500 shares, and I sold it out and I bought Namaste. But if I just hold on to this long term, I would have made a decent profit off it. Oh well, that's life. Can't win everything. Oh, hey, it just had a huge decline. What the hell? I thought it was at $49. Huh, $46. Oh well, whatever. That's weird. I thought I saw $49. I must be seeing things. Okay, well, I think that's it for stock market update. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.